We are at the fabulous Sara Star and we want to thank them for being our hospitality partner.
Well, thank you so much for coming, ladies and gentlemen. It's wonderful to see you all here. Here's something about Society, Interiors and Design. Well, it is the most widely followed magazine by all architects, interior designers and realtors. The last word in architecture, interior design, decor and style. The magazine is much loved by professionals of the realty and design industries, design enthusiasts and students of architecture and decor. Today we are here to celebrate the iconic projects of JTCPL Designs, and these works feature on the current cover of the magazine. Well, without further ado, I'd like to call upon Mr. Ashok Dhamankar, the founder and dynamic force behind Magnet Publishing. Under his leadership, he has changed the outlook of the medium and has made it design community friendly. Today, Society Interiors and Design is hugely popular not only in India but globally. I would also like to call upon Ms. Swati Balgi, the consulting editor of Society Interiors and Design, Mr. Sunil Khavnekar, Director, Magnet Publishing, and a huge round please for these wonderful people. Thodi taaliyan ho jaye. Yes, a little bit.
Thank you for joining us. About JTCPL Design, ladies and gentlemen, JTCPL Design has spent more than 2 decades bringing this philosophy to life, creating thoughtful, purposeful workspaces that bring together architectural thinking, functionality and human experience. With more than 1,000 projects completed across 19 plus countries, the firm has built a reputation for precision, innovation and design that goes beyond the visual to create spaces that truly work. From corporate headquarters, boutiques, offices to financial institutions and emerging businesses, JTCPL Designs approaches every project as an opportunity to create environments that are meaningful, enduring and directly human.
Okay, well now we'd like to invite Mr. Vipul Tapke. He's the CEO and Chief Architect of JTCPL Design. And it is also our honor to welcome our chief guests this evening, the talented and popular actor Mr. Mukesh Rishi and the glamorous talented actress Aisha Ayman to unveil the issue of Society Interiors and Design magazine. But before they are here, let me just tell you a little bit about Mr. Rishi. Well, some actors leave an impression not just through the roles they play, but through the sheer presence they bring to the screen. Mr. Rishi is one such actor whose powerful performances have made him a respected face across Hindi and regional cinema. From memorable roles, well, negative roles I'd say, to compelling characters in films such as Sarfarosh, Gunda and Koi Mil Gaya, he's demonstrated a remarkable range over a career spanning decades. Sir, please join us here.
Beauty, grace and talent comes together in the remarkable journey of Aisha Ayman. A former Miss India International, she represented India at the Miss International pageant and Tokyo. Before making her transition from the world of modeling and pageantry to acting, she made her Bollywood debut in Madhur Bhandarkar's India, Lockdown, and went on to appear in the web series Inspector Avinash, taking on roles that allowed her to explore her versatility as a performer. With her striking screen presence, confidence, and growing body of work, Aisha Ayman is certainly an artist to watch. I would like Aisha to join us, please.
And now I'd like to call on stage the incomparable musician Leslie Lewis, who's he's regaled audiences with his electrifying music and singing. Leslie is one of the architects of modern Indian popular music, a singer, performer, composer, music producer and lyricist who has shaped Indian pop, independent music, fusion and advertising for nearly 4 decades. He has created iconic advertising, music and defining indie pops, including Sunita Rao's Pari Hu Main, Yaro, Pyar Ke Pal. Sir, please do join us.
Now I would like to call on stage the fabulous composer Raju Singh, who has composed more than 100 songs, including the iconic song So Sonio, television work, Ahat, CID, Boogie Woogie, and movie Kesari, Ek Villain, Avara Pantu, and Hai Jawani To Ishq Hona Hi Hai. So please join us on stage. Now let's start with the cover unveiling.
I request you all to please do the honors.
सर दिनेश भाई थोड़ा सा सर नीचे करो अपना
अभी
हाँ
हाँ सर
2 3
Such a beautiful cover page.
Good evening friends. Thank you so much for your presence. हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हम आज टुडे वी आर अनवीलिंग अ सोसाइटी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन जो हमारी ये मैगजीन है उसकी कवर अनवीलिंग आज हुई है ऑफिशियली एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू माय फ्रेंड मुकेश ऋषि आयेश आमीन लेस्ली लुइस and Raju for taking out their spacious time and coming over and extending the support to unveil the society interior and design magazine. Thank you so much for everyone, making this happen. I'm so grateful to you all. Thank you.
For such a beautiful cover page, I have few questions for the Vipul Tapke sir, CEO and the Chief Architect of JDCPL Design. Sir, can you please tell us a little about JDCPL Design?
First of all, thank you so much for the lovely panelists that we have here. Thank you Ashok sir, thank you Raju sir, thank you Mukesh sir, thank you Aisha. Leslie Lewis sir has been such a phenomenal musician and we've kind of grown up listening to your music. Thank you so much Swati and the entire team at Magnet and Society Engineers. So JDCPL Designs began with a thought that we wanted to do some great work in the field of architecture and interior design. And I remember 25 years back when we started this venture, we had nothing but a lot of enthusiasm and some great people who actually been there with us who make all this happen. So I must first of all thank my good stars and the Lord Almighty that we got this opportunity and we could live this journey and today we can enjoy this moment. But as I stand here, I must acknowledge certain people who have shaped our journey. To begin with, we have Anand with us. Anand, we met about 25 years back, and he's our first client. We were just 25, 26-year-old kids, and I don't know how he got the confidence in us. We didn't have so much confidence in us, but he had a lot of confidence in us, and he allowed us to, do his first office. At that point of time, even Anand was at his very, critical juncture with his company, and to, restore, have that confidence in us was something which really shaped what we are today. Society Interiors has kind of, supported us throughout the journey, and the first project that we did with Anand also featured in the 2003 magazine, and I still cherish that copy. I still have that copy with me today. There are also so many other people who have been such an important part of what we are today. I must mention Mr. Harsh Joshi, who's here. He's sitting at the back, but he's one of the most prominent people. With his vision, with his guidance, we've created some beautiful spaces for the Motilal Oswal group, and happy to share that that project also features in the magazine today. Mr. Bharat Biyani is absent today because of his ill health, but he's also one pillar of strength we had, who stood with us during the most difficult times and shaped what we are today. Again, a project very close to our hearts, which finds a place in the magazine. So, just blessed and happy to be here. I must also mention that the family is what makes us who we are, right? So I have two families, one at home, one at work. Yeah, I spend more time with the family at work, but for a fact that she supports me throughout, I must say thank you to her. I must say thank you to my kids and my parents who have shaped what we are today. We also have Aishana ma'am in the house today. She's somebody who's a constant source of energy. Her enthusiasm is second to none. There is never a dull moment when she's around. So thank you ma'am for being there throughout this journey. And I think the most important is my family at work. They are the ones who make us proud. They are the ones why we are here today. All the times that we, put in the rigor, put in the grit, put in all the hard work, and while doing so, the amount of laughter that we have in the studio is second to none. I think that's what makes JTCPL Designs. Thank you so much.
What exciting projects are you looking forward to, or you want to say something about your cover page?
So this is a project we did in Dubai, and it's an iconic design. We've done this for a co-working space, and the best part was the parametric lighting that we've tried to do, the ambience that we've tried to create. So yes, it's a project very close to our hearts, and so happy that it is adding flavor to the Society Interiors and Design magazine.
Any upcoming projects you want to tell the audience about?
Many. So we are working internationally. We are doing some work in Jordan. We are also doing some work in Cyprus. Also, we are working with Motilal Oswal Group. That's again a very prominent project which is happening as we speak, and I'm really looking forward to all these projects being published in the magazine. Yeah.
Please tell something about the equation with Ashok Tamankar and Society Interior and Design.
So like I mentioned, the equation goes almost half a decade back, and I mean they've really supported and loved us throughout this journey. But I must say this is like the pinnacle. This is like the best moments, and I'm so happy that I can share it with all the people I love who are here in this room. Thanks to Sunil ji, thanks to Ashok ji. This is really a dream come true.
Thank you so much.
Well, मुकेश जी के बारे में सब जानते ही हैं. He's a famous actor, and इनकी एक फिल्म आई थी घातक. अगर आपने नहीं देखी तो आपको जरूर देखनी चाहिए. One of my favorite films. Mukesh ji, I'd just like to know about your association with Ashok ji and Society Interiors and Design magazine, please.
सबसे पहले तो thank you very much Society Design and Interior. Ashok ji, thank you very much having me. आप बहुत चंगे हो, बुराई लेते हो, और खुशी इस बात की कि आप अपना काम जो है ईमानदारी से क्योंकि मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर आर्टिस्ट को भी कई फंक्शन अटेंड किए, और इनकी खूबी ये है कि इतनी ईमानदारी से अपना काम करते हैं, तो इतनी खुशी महसूस होती है जब इनके साथ किसी उनके प्रोजेक्ट में मैं पहुंचता हूँ। तो ऑल द बेस्ट अशोक, वेलकम। और मैं साहब को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं दूंगा आपके आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए। और दुबई तो ऐसी जगह है, उसके 1000 फीट ऊपर चले जाइए, ज़मीन में रहिए, ज़मीन के नीचे चले जाइए, तो कहीं भी आप डिज़ाइन बनाते रहिए, एज लॉन्ग एज उस पर लिखा हुआ है मेड इन इंडिया। तो मुझे एक चीज़ और बड़ी अच्छी लगती है, जब भी अशोक की मैगजीन हाथ में पकड़ते हैं ना, तो पूरे 25-30 साल पीछे चले जाते हैं, जब ऐसी मैगजीन हाथ में हुआ करती थी। आजकल तो बहुत प्लेटफॉर्म अवेलेबल हैं, कहीं भी देख सकते हैं, लेकिन स्टिल मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा वो मैगजीन पकड़ के। तो इसी तरह करते रहिए, मेहनत करते रहिए सर। और ये आपकी सोसाइटी जो इंटीरियर और डिज़ाइन का है, ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है आपका, हमेशा कामयाब रहे। गॉड ब्लेस यू सर, ऑल द बेस्ट एंड नाइस टू सी यू रजू भाई। साहब, मेरे जो देख रहे होंगे ना, मैं कितनी अच्छा से बोल रहा हूँ, आवाज़ मेरी नीचे है, मेरे जो शोर वाले सुर थे वो सब ठंडे हो गए हैं, क्योंकि मैं सुर वालों के साथ। God bless you.
Sir, just one more question. ये अभी तो it's been a diverse career yours, कितने decades हो गए आप? And I just want to know what inspires you now and what excites you even now to perform as an artist.
I think हमारा सारा खेला ही उनके ऊपर है, जो हमारे बारे में कहीं बैठ के सोच रहे हैं, चाहे वो बाहर हो चाहे साउथ इंडिया में हो। हमें वहाँ से पता चलता है कि हमको क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए। क्योंकि मैं सब इंडिया में सब जगह काम किया, तो मुझे जहाँ से भी आता है, आई रिस्पेक्ट ऑल द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, क्योंकि कोई किसी से कम नहीं है। पहले हम सोचते थे साउथ इंडिया, मुझे नहीं लगता हमें सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि वी आर एट पार, सब लोग, ऑल द इंडस्ट्रीज आर एट पार। हमेशा हम सीखते हैं, सारी इंडस्ट्री से इतना टैलेंट है, चाहे वो आप टेक्नीशियंस ले लीजिए, डायरेक्टर्स ले लीजिए, हमारे DOPs ले लीजिए। तो मुझे इस बात की खुशी है, जब भी कहीं से भी प्रोजेक्ट मुझे मिलता है। अभी रिसेंटली मैंने प्रोजेक्ट किया है जी के लिए, मुझे नहीं उम्मीद थी, लेकिन मुझे सुनने में इतना अच्छा लगा, तो मुझे लगा ये मेरे लिए चैलेंज होगा, तो वो चल रहा है। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू डू दैट। तो इसी तरह जहाँ से भी कुछ मिलेगा करते रहेंगे।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू डियर।
Now I would like to ask few questions to Ms. Aisha. So it's a very small question for you. Tell us about your association with Ashok Damankar and Society Interior and Design.
I'm very much honored to be part of Society Interior Design magazine cover launch today. I believe interior designing is not just about beautiful spaces, but it's more about our feelings, emotions, personality, and sense of belonging. And I congratulate Society Interior and Design, Mr. Ashok Ji, for bringing this vision to life. And I wish them continued success. And thank you for having me here today with Mukesh sir, Raju sir, और इनकी जो गाने हैं हम बचपन से सुन रहे हैं, all the esteemed guests. So thank you so much for having me here, Ashok Ji.
You have explored different phases of the creative world through your work. How have these experiences shaped you as an actor and as an individual?
See, my journey has been very different from others, I feel, because I've started my journey from Patna, small town where I did aeronautical engineering, and then I did physics graduation, and then I'm doing law currently, so, and also I'm into acting. I've been former Miss India, so there has been a lot of, spaces I've been. और मुझे लगता है कि एक्टर बनने के लिए आपको बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस चाहिए लाइफ में, एंड जो कि मुझे इन डिफरेंट फील्ड से मिला है, एंड आई फील वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ दैट आई बीन थ्रू ऑल दिस फील्ड्स. और मैं चाहती हूँ ऐसे जैसे बाकी फील्ड्स में मैंने एक्सेल किया है, वैसे मैं एक्टिंग में भी करूँ विद ऑल योर ब्लेसिंग्स. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. Leslie sir. Well, Colonial Cousins was amazing. I heard it 1,000 times, maybe a million times. But tell me, what according to you has been your most significant contribution to Indian music?
Well, first of all, I want to say that Mr. Ashok Dhamonkar is the rock star of the publishing space. And it feels very exciting that I'm here. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि म्यूजिक और डिजाइन साथ साथ में चलता है, अपने 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 लाइन पे चलते रहता है. लाइक म्यूजिक इज गॉट म्यूजिक मेलोडी, हार्मोनी, रिदम. वैसे डिजाइन में स्पेस रहता है, कलर रहता है, टेक्सचर रहता है, और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू प्रपोर्शन होता है. तो आई थिंक इट्स आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड कि आई एम हियर टुडे फॉर द official release of the special magazine tonight. And thank you to JTCPL. I think जैसे कहा था कि ऊपर नीचे कहाँ भी अब करते रहिए, मेक बाय इंडिया तो होना चाहिए. I think that's fantastic.
This actually is a demand of the team. So the team just requested you to please sing something. ये तो होना ही था. Sing something, anything. They've written Pari Hu Main, but if you want to sing that, your choice. She could sing that maybe, but you could sing whatever you want.
Okay, I'll sing something else because पढ़ा हूँ.
I think
Pari Hu Main थोड़ा सूट नहीं होता. Something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Sarida pa maga. Something about the way you smile, you may never know the reason why. Sarida pa maga. Oh जाना निगाहों में है कैसी मस्तियाँ, हवाओं में है जादू कैसा तौबा, भुला दे कहते ना ये वादा प्यार का. सानिधा pa maga.
Thank you.
Now I have few questions for Mr. Raju Singh. You have composed some of the most memorable songs, including the much-loved song Soniyo. What is the secret to creating a melody that becomes timeless?
You know, if we knew these things, then every song of ours would have been a hit. So I think दिल लगा के, अपनी क्रिएटिविटी डाल के, अपना मन लगा के, सिंसियरली अपना गाना बना लो, अपना काम कर लो, even if it's designing, everything which is creative. I think अपना काम में पूरा दिल लगा के अपना काम कर लेना. बाकी is left to the audience to actually let us know कि next time हम और कितना अच्छा करें. So that's how it happens, you know. So you never know. Sometimes you get a feeling that, yeah, I think this will, you know, but never rely on that. So that's how I think.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call the team.
I'd just like to thank Ashok ji and Magnet Publishing, the team at work and at home, for putting up this whole situation, and the platform is created for, I mean, getting the talent who can do this. And like what Leslie just said, हम लोगों का काम creative कुछ क्रिएट करने का है, वैसे ही आप इतने माइंड्स को अपॉर्चुनिटीज दें कि कुछ उनकी क्रिएशन को सपोर्ट करें. Congratulations and all the best.
Raju, I think this is the greatest moment for us, having entire the team, especially Raju. आपके जो गाने हैं, सारे गाने तो they are very popular and made a huge dent in not only in country but worldwide too. Definitely everybody is here. They want to hear from you 2 lines of your favorite song.
I think I'm going with Sonia then.
Yes.
Just, Sonia, oh Sonia, तुझे देखता हूँ तो सोचता हूँ बस यही, तू जो मेरा साथ दे, सारे गम भुला के जी लूं मुस्कुरा के जिंदगी, तू दे दे मेरा साथ, थाम ले हाथ, चाहे जो भी हो तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ. So that's a commitment from all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. We love
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. I'd like Sunil and Swati to say a few words.
Good evening, friends. Vipul sir, thank you so much for allowing us to carry this cover. And the way you said that, like, commercial sector, we are very proud to carry your own pictures. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I have been a great admirer of Ninad Fitness and Vipul Sabhe as professionals. Their level of commitment and dedication is of a different level. And I think it's an admirable 25 years journey. And special thanks to Vipul, in spite of his hectic schedule, we could manage to put this cover story together. And wishing you loads of luck for your future journey.
Thank you so much. Now I would like the team JTCPL to please come on the stage for the team photo op.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि ये जो सोसाइटी इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन हमारी जो मैगजीन है उसके कवर आने के लिए मुकेश, आयशा, लेस्ली और राजू उन्होंने अपना कीमती समय हमें दिया आज, उसके लिए मैं बहुत उनका शुक्र अदा करता हूँ. एंड आई रियली थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग आवर देयर प्रेशियस टाइम एंड कमिंग एंड मेकिंग दिस वेरी सक्सेसफुल. स्पेशली द विपुल जो आर्किटेक्ट्स हैं जिनकी हमने आज एक कवर स्टोरी रिवील की है. एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल दैट विपुल and entire his team has given and believed us, saying Society Interior is the right magazine to carry his project and publicize. मैं आज ऑफिशियली आप सब लोगों को बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हमारी मैगजीन not only available only on the newsstand, but it is available on the e-platform, digital, social media, and also print. सब जगह पे ये अवेलेबल है. एंड प्लीज़ पढ़िए और ऐसे हमें इंकरेज करते रहिए ताकि वी कीप डूइंग अ गुड वर्क. थैंक यू सो मच.
Well, today is a special day because it's a special release. तो मुझे लग रहा है कि सब स्पेशल लोगों के साथ ही हूँ मैं. एंड स्पेशली सोसाइटी इंटीरियर और डिज़ाइन और JTCP का जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट है और मैग्नेट पब्लिशिंग, आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि म्यूज़िक जो है इज सो कनेक्टेड टू डिज़ाइन. आप कोई भी स्टूडियो में जाएंगे तो उसका मूड क्या है, आप घर पे आएंगे वो फील किया तो मैं बैठ के गिटार लेके सोचूंगे अच्छा आई फील लाइक कंपोजिंग, आई फील लाइक सिंगिंग. वो डिज़ाइन ही करता है. आप ताजमहल में जाओगे तो आपको ताजमहल में कुछ अलग फील आएगा, मेरे घर आओगे तो कुछ अलग फील आएगा. तो इट्स ऑल गॉट टू डू डिज़ाइन. बट आई एम सो एक्साइटेड एंड wish you all the very best. Rock and roll.
Very honored to part of this Society Interior Design cover launch today with Mukesh sir, Raju sir, Leslie sir, everyone, Vipul ji, Ashok ji. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो इंटीरियर डिज़ाइंस होते हैं वो सिर्फ स्पेस को लेके नहीं होते, लोकेशंस को लेके नहीं होते. एज एन एक्टर आई फील इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट इमोशंस, फीलिंग्स एंड सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग्स. सो I wish the entire team of Society Interior Design Magazine for continued success and congratulations Ashok ji for bringing this vision to life. Thank you so much.
जैसे लेस्ली ने बताया, मैं I was just thinking कि how the environment inspires you to do something. Same way आपने हम सब के भले के लिए सब डिज़ाइनर्स को इंस्पायर किया कि हमारे स्पेसेस ऐसे
अच्छा
बनाए
बनाए, तब और गाने बनाए।
और एक और चीज, आई एम फीलिंग jealous of them कि they have this platform and they're doing that. आप please society music and sound भी कर दीजिए.
Yes, absolutely.
And cover पे हम founder members.
Good one.
I have another magazine, which is Society Achievers. मैं जरूर करूँगा.
Thank you,
That's a good one.
All the best.
मुझे सबसे बड़ी खुशी है कि ऐसे मौके पे यहाँ पे आए, क्योंकि इनके लिए तो हर महीना नया महीना, और नया महीना नए चित्र लेकर आता है, नई सोच लेके आता है, नई पेंटिंग लेके आता है और नया म्यूजिक लेके आता है। सबसे बड़ी खुशी है इस बात की। और सबसे है सोसाइटी इंटीरियर डिजाइन जो है उसके पीछे बहुत मेहनत करते हैं। जिस तरह पेंट होता है, डिजाइन बनता है, जैसे उसी तरह ये भी सोचता रहते हैं कुछ ना कुछ नया करें, हर बार अलग जगह ढूंढते हैं। हमारे लोग कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं। अशोक जी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। सर आपको भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मैं पूरी आपको शुभकामनाएं ये कहेंगे कि आपकी जो पेन है वो चलता रहे और अच्छे अच्छे डिज़ाइन बनते रहे। जैसे मैंने वहाँ कहा है वही कहूँगा, बट इट शुड बी मेड इन
I think JTCPL Designs के लिए एक सुनहरा दिन है. It is truly an honor and like a dream come true for not only me but everybody at JTCPL Designs. I'm missing Ninad here today, but to be amongst such great dignitaries and to get so much inspiration from all the work that you do, I'm sure we will be doing a lot more and looking forward to having such more occasions where we celebrate together. Okay, three cheers to
Three cheers. Yes, to Vipul.
Yes! Hooray!
Hooray!